All right, everyone. So we're getting down to our last few videos for Math 1. I'm getting kind of excited. All right, we are looking now at quadratic equations. Now, we are not moving away from the factoring, okay? We're now just taking it to the next step. So, first thing you got to be able to do is you have to be able to write a quadratic in standard form. So, if you're looking at the example there on the right, okay, what does that mean for us? So, standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c. All right. And if it's in an equation, it equals 0. All right. So we need it to be ax squared. So the x squared term is first, the x term is in the middle, the c and the then equals 0. Now, you may hear teachers after this class refer to certain things as, they may refer to this as the quadratic term, because by having this in the equation, that's what gives us our U-shaped parabola that we talked about. You may hear teachers call this term the linear term, because if this term didn't exist, if you just had bx plus c, you'd have the equation of a line. You'd be solving a linear equation. And then c is your constant, but it is also your y-intercept when you graph it. Okay. So that's why it's really important to be able to take an equation and put it in standard form, because these little terms here actually have a pretty cool role in the equation. All right. So all I'm going to be doing for these first four problems on your assignment is letting them equal, solving them so that they're equal to 0. So I have negative 3x squared minus 14x equals 7x. So the 7x is on the wrong side. So I'm just going to subtract 7x, just like I would if I was solving an equation. Subtract 7x. And then I'm going to make sure I write this side, the left-hand side, in the correct order. So negative 3x squared minus 7x minus 14x equals 0. Okay? All right, so now we're going to type that in, negative 3x squared minus 7x minus 14 equals 0. Submit my answer. Yes. And I got my green check. Okay? 'Cause that's all I need to do. Let me move that out of the way. All right. So set it equal to 0. So that's your level 1. All right, so let's take a look at level 2. So same idea. Okay? So I have x squared equals negative 2x plus 16. So I need the negative 2x to be on the other side and the 16 to be on the other side. So I'm just going to do it at the same time. So I'm going to add 2x and subtract 16 to both sides. And then I'm going to write the left-hand side in the correct order, with the quadratic term first, then the linear term, then the constant, and that's now equal to 0 because this eliminates. All right, I'm going to type that in. So x squared plus 2x minus 16 equals 0. Submit my answer. Yes, and I got my green check. All right, now, if you're looking at this and you're saying, Ms. Barfield, I do not need to write this down. I could do this in my head. Fantastic. Do it in your head, type it into Delta Math, and you're good to go. All right, good luck, you guys.